Elevation to render. Turn your 2D elevation into an immersive 3D render in just a few clicks. Select Add Input and upload your file from History, your device, or by dragging and dropping it into the window. You can choose your image visual, interior, or exterior. The prompt box is optional, so we'll keep it empty for now. Set your style. You can add a reference or keep no reference. You can turn human figures on or off depending on your look. Choose time of day and your aspect ratio, then hit Generate. Wait for a few seconds for render. Your render is ready. What if you want to try a different color palette for your house? Try Prompt section, describe materials or style, like walls, black stone finish, plus roof, edges white cement, plus wood, brown oak finish, plus metal, black chrome finish, and hit Generate button again, and you will see the updated render according to your desired input. BNP AI gives you a polished render in just a few minutes.